Welcome to UK International London Beauty School. Discover the world of professional makeup, hair, beauty, nail and cosmetology courses with UK International London Beauty School.
Are you passionate of becoming a professional and dream to build your career?
With our cutting-edge courses and experienced instructors, you will learn our latest makeup trend and techniques to transform your face into a work of art.
Embark on a transformative journey into the world of hair care and styling with a comprehensive and hands-on care course.
Unlock the art and science of nail art and extension through a comprehensive nail course designed to transform your passion into professional skill.
Our state-of-the-art facilities provide the perfect environment to enhance your skills at internship and build your confidence.
As a cosmetologist, my portfolio reflects a mesmerizing collection of transformative looks, demonstrating my passion for enhancing beauty and creating unique artistic expression.
At the UK International London Beauty School, an examination is a gateway to the world of endless possibilities.
Become a certified makeup artist, hairstylist, hairdresser, nail technician and cosmetologist and open the door to endless opportunity in beauty industries.
Don't miss a chance to follow your passion and create a beautiful future for yourself.
Contact us and take a first step towards a glamorous and rewarding career in makeup, hair, beauty, nail and cosmetology.
We extend our gratitude for choosing UK International London Beauty School. Your confidence holds immense value. Brace yourself for an exceptional journey, abundant with learning, personal development, and a myriad of beauty enchantment.